So welcome class 12th. Today we are going to deal with a new topic, fiscal deficit. In the previous video or in the previous class we have understood about the revenue deficit. Today we will understand that what is fiscal deficit, what are the formulas through which fiscal deficit can be calculated, what are its implications, and what are the sources through which the fiscal deficit can be financing, and how it can be used as a measures to control. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that fiscal deficit represents the more comprehensive budgetary imbalances of the government. Okay, generally the fiscal deficit is the excess of expenditure over receipts by just excluding borrowing during the given fiscal year. Okay, and here the fiscal year is the year, that is accounting year, which starts from the 1st of April and it will ends to the 31st of March. Okay, now let us understand what are the formulas through which the fiscal deficit can be calculated. Fiscal deficit is the total expenditure minus total receipts excluding borrowing. Okay, why borrowings is being excluded? Here the borrowings is excluded because we have to understand the fiscal deficit. If borrowing would be there, it will always and always increases the burden of deficit. That's why the borrowings is included. It is not borrowings is excluded. It will not be included in the fiscal deficit. Alternatively, fiscal deficit can be also written as revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure minus revenue receipts plus capital receipts excluding borrowings. Okay, it can be also written as revenue deficit plus in bracket capital expenditure minus capital receipts excluding borrowing. If in question the total borrowings is given, so total borrowings is equal to fiscal deficit, and last fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts plus capital expenditure minus capital receipts excluding the borrowings. So these are the 5 different formulas through which the fiscal deficit can be easily calculated. Now let us understand the sources through which the fiscal deficit can be financing. Okay, what are the sources of fiscal deficit? So we know that there are 2 different sources. Okay, there are 2 different sources, that is borrowing. First source is the borrowing and second source is by deficit financing. These are the only 2 different sources through which the fiscal deficit can be financed. Okay, here first is the borrowings. Borrowings can be done internally or externally. If it is done internally, how it can be done? It can be done by commercial bank. Okay, means government can take loan from commercial bank, and if government wants to take loan from external sources, so it can take from foreign countries, or it can take loan from international organization to meet the fiscal deficit in a fiscal year. International organization like WTO and WHO. Okay, and second is by deficit financing. What is deficit financing? Deficit financing is the process of the government which borrows money from the Reserve Bank of India against its securities, and in favor of that the RBI issues new currency notes. Okay, RBI issues new currency notes to the government for financing the deficit which has been occurred in that particular year. Okay, so till now you have understood about the formula part through which the fiscal deficit can be calculated, and here the sources, there are only 2 sources, that is the borrowing and the fiscal deficit. Borrowing by internally or externally, If borrowing is being done internally, then it can be taken from the commercial bank, or if it is done externally, then it can be taken from the foreign countries or by international organization, that is from WHO or WTO. Or if it is done by deficit financing, so RBI issues new currency notes against the government securities and thus finances the deficit of the government. Okay, now let us understand what are the implications of the deficit financing. Okay, implications of deficit financing, how it will affect the economy. The first implication of the fiscal deficit is that it will increases the debt trap. What is debt trap? Debt trap means when the government borrows more and more money to just meet its expenditure, excess and over amount of expenditure, then the government dependency, increases, because not only the government has to pay the principal amount, they has to pay the interest. So alternatively, it increases the revenue deficit as well as the primary deficits. Okay, that's why we can say that due to the fiscal deficit, the economy is moved towards the debt trap. Second is the inflation. What is inflation? When the Reserve Bank of India issues new currency notes, when the Reserve Bank of India issues new currency notes to the government, it increases the money supply in the economy and thus increases the inflationary pressure in the economy, due to which the inflation increases. Okay, so the another implication of the fiscal deficit is that inflation increases in the economy. Okay, next is the foreign dependency. Sometimes government also takes loan from the foreign countries or by the international organization, which will increases the foreign dependency for the smooth functioning of the economy. Okay, and last, it hampers the growth and development of the economy. If mainly the government will be able to fulfill their expenditures towards borrowings, towards issuing new currency notes, and by taking loans from the foreign country, then how it will increases the developmental work? It will definitely hampers the development and the growth of the economy. So these are the various implications of the fiscal deficit. Okay, now come to the next part and the last part of the fiscal deficit, how this fiscal deficit can be eradicated, how this can be reduced. So there are only two measures through which the fiscal deficit can be reduced. First is by decreasing the expenditure of the government, and second by increasing the revenue of the government. This fiscal deficit can be easily curtailed. So this is all about the fiscal deficit. I hope you have understood.